What's going on YouTube? My name is Cheno. Magandang umaga, maayong buntag. It's 8:17 a.m. and we're here at Corregidor Island. Let's explore it. But first, let me show you how to get here. We're back at the port. Which port is this?
General.
We're back at the General Luna port. We're gonna pick up a few things before we go on the tour.
Like the calamansi ate we got last time.
Oh yeah. Are you gonna get some for this trip too?
Yeah.
One each? Oh no, yeah. We can just check Gatorade and calamansi. Then we have one big water.
Yeah. Two big ones.
Two? Will it fit in your bag?
Oh nah. Should be fine.
I can fit one.
This one.
Show us what we got.
Gatorade, calamansi juice, water. 120 daw.
120. Ako ay 200. Ay, sakli. Hopefully.
wallet, oh my goodness.
Thumbnail.
Thank you.
Salamat eh. So we're just registering now. It's 50 pesos environmental fee and 3,500 for this tour, or 3,500 pesos for this private tour of 4 people. Oh, the water's nice and cool for now. So guys, we've just made it to Corregidor Island. We're about to hike up the island, the mountains, the hills, and make our way to the viewpoint. It's currently 8:22 a.m. and yeah, we've just started. Alright you guys, so once you get onto the island, they bombard you with a lot more fees. So we've got a docking fee of 100 pesos and 350 for a guide. So I would recommend a guide anyway, because there may be a simple path, but hey, they can show you around, they can recommend you spots, so that's helpful. But then there's another 20 plus 30 pesos like entrance fee, environmental fee, even though we already paid it at the port. So not sure what that's about, but we'll see if it's worth it when we get to the viewpoint. But yeah, keep those in mind.
The time is right, the time is right, here tonight, the time is right, the time is right.
I do have to be honest, you guys, this walk is quite aesthetic. Something about the grass looks fake, but like that well-maintained synthetic kind of grass. It's pretty nice. But yeah, I'm actually enjoying this pretty relaxing walk. So this is where we paid the 30 pesos for something. So no tour guide, no hiking, so you have to do that anyway. Just gotta quickly register. Yeah, we're now just walking through a small town. I think it's a lot of where the locals live, as you can see. Yeah. Okay, so the hike officially starts on these steps, and it should be 15 minutes from here. I think. I'm sure it's okay, but it is an uphill, so might lose my breath a little. Under 10 minutes in the hike, and I'm sweating like crazy, mainly because of my bag. But it's not even the hottest part of the day yet. Yeah, I've just been filming B-roll and stuff and totally forgot to just look up, like with my own eyes. Look at that, guys. Actually, look at this side with all the palm trees, coconut trees. Looks incredible. 20 seconds later and we took a break. But it really more untouched almost from the typhoon. Chada patangawan ba. Pero wow, one thing that stands out to me is that it's so quiet, it's calm. It doesn't look like Siargao, but it has the same vibe. You know, it's super chill. We got the crew over in the background, still trekking through. The sun is getting higher, getting hotter, so yeah, let's keep going. I'm loving these little like palm trees scattered everywhere. But guys, there's like no breeze on the hills for some reason. Oh, there we go. There's a leaning palm tree and apparently people line up for it. So good thing we left early and hopefully we can have it to ourselves for a little bit. Let me show you.
You've been gone for way too long. I vision blurred now, but I feel you strong. Where do we go? How do we move on? 'Cause I won't let you lose you. Yeah, you know that I won't. Oh, that I won't. Oh.
20 minutes later.
Trying to hide from the sun, about to fly my drone. We're all kind of just filming and taking photos, capturing content as you do, but this is our view. That's incredibly stunning. Wow. Just thought I'd give you a quick update because I'm just sweating like crazy, but it's pretty hot, guys, and it's not even like later in the day. It's still 9 a.m., 9:30.
How bad is it?
What happened?
The sun cream's not rubbing.
You're too sweaty, bro. Here, let me zoom in on Zara's face. Is that working? He's trying to put sunscreen on, but he's like sweaty. I haven't put sunscreen on as well, just on my face.
Oh my god.
But I'm pretty sure I've wiped it off at this point. Guys, be prepared to spend an hour or so at the first spot, which is that bent palm tree. If you're a content creator or you just like to take photos, you want to post on YouTube, Instagram Reels, TikTok, you're gonna spend a good amount of time because like this place is quite breathtaking. They call it Little Batanes because it has that similar aesthetic and look to it with the hills, the layers of hills, the grass swaying, and of course the palm trees. But yeah, we're gonna make our way to the next viewpoint. So let's keep going. So this here is a Little Batanes viewpoint. Guys, chadagi kayo din eh. It's actually relaxing kayo. That's what I like about Corregidor, I guess. That's what stands out to me. A little bit pricey, I'll be honest with you. So be prepared for, you know, the boat fee, but also the other hidden fees when you land on the island. If you like calming viewpoints, hills and palm trees, this may be for you, huh? Alex said a little bit of a hike.
If you're into hiking, this is nothing like crazy, but
yeah,
still very nice view to see.
Yeah. Gets hot though, for sure. Hiking under the sun for like 10 to 15 minutes. The ocean looks so like relaxing from here. You can kind of see the waves just crashing by the, I don't know, cove or beach over that area. Look at this daredevil going off the beaten path.
Do not do it. You're looking at it so itchy. But can I just stay here?
Probably a bit further. No, she doesn't actually have to go further. No, you're good. You're good there. You're good there. Photo up time. Look at that. What a view. You wouldn't expect this kind of view, hey? Unless you love going to the mountains in the Philippines, then maybe there's a lot that looks like this. Alright. So that's pretty much it on Corregidor Island, you guys. After this spot, you know, you can still capture some photos if you want, but then it's time to make our way back down the hills and back to the bangka. I start every clip with heavy breathing. Guys, pro tip, make sure you leave the port early. So we left at around 7:15 a.m., roughly around that time, and it was just us on the two viewpoints. And Kuya was just saying,
Buti nauna kami so that
we don't have to line up
for the tourists
to take photos on that bent palm tree and the Batanes lookout. Hapit na mi. Igangan lang kayo. Such rookies. Clearly we're not mountaineers. With our chinelas. For Kuya, this is just, I don't know, barely a warm-up. but for us, pawis na pawis.
Abasaway po angon gilumpag ang tikbayon sa akong paglaom lamang mahanaw ang akong kung inunupan sa tumang kasakit.
Malit lang.
Maitong nga dagkong ihabol sa masulapon kong
Pwede ba, babe? Brutal reality of the heat right now. And we're getting some mad entertainment. And just like that, we're back at Guyam Island. We're just gonna chill out here, guys. Order some shakes, hopefully some food, do a bit of slacklining, get into my zen. You alright? Oh shit, they have a ball this time. They've actually got a basketball this time, look. If you see in the back, the rope or the slack line is there. We'll test that out a bit later. Need to relax first, but we're just gonna get some shakes. Let's check out their menu. So this is their menu, guys. Shakes, cold drinks, burgers. Sweet. Let's hope they're available. Okay. Order ko isa ka mango shake.
One mango.
What was your drink? Duha ka mango shake, guy. Tapos isa ka guyam burger. That's all?
Yep.
Oh, no. Alright, you guys, the goods have arrived. Taste test. Cheers.
That's so pure.
So sweet.
Whoa, that's so sweet.
You know what Zoe got?
Yeah.
A mango graham shake.
Yeah, I saw that.
Oh my gosh, that looks
It just
so
like
good.
reminds me of like once the mango is like really ripe. That's the taste of it.
Mango at its peak.
It's like over its peak.
Oh, so it's really good, guys. No, it's extra good. Yeah, so it's actually almost 12 o'clock. No, it is 12 o'clock, so definitely is lunchtime. So we'll spend our lunch here on Guyam Island. Just live that island life.
That's beautiful.
All right, we've just moved our stuff to this cabana. Look at it. Wait, actually, let me step out. It looks so sick. Look at that. And our view. Check it out. That's stunning. Whoops. Damn, guys. Thank you. Ano lang, kuya. Cool. Salamat kayo. This is the Guyam burger, guys. So it does have bacon. Yum. Bacon, cheese. Alright, I already said it. I'm gonna eat it. Taste test. It's actually huge. So let me just press it down first. There you go. Hey guys, so is Corregidor Island actually worth visiting? Honestly, for me personally, probably not. Just because a couple of months ago I did visit my dad's hometown and then we drove up a mountain and we had similar views, like super high up in the mountains, palm trees and layers of hills. But if that's something that you do like and something you want to see, then yeah, it's pretty breathtaking. So for you, it might actually be worth it. But I guess looking back, like, because we got to split the boat costs between the four of us, and technically you can visit the 3 islands as well aside from Corregidor. So that's Naked, Daco, and Guyam. Then I guess that's not too bad of a price. It's just there was just like hidden fees as well when you land on Corregidor Island. But I can understand that that's to also support the locals there. So fair enough. Nonetheless, I really did enjoy seeing the views there. up on the mountains or the hills. But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching my vlog. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like on this video because it really does help out tiny channels like mine. And yeah, also subscribe to my friends, my girlfriend Alex, Sarah and Zoe, some are there, can't really tell right now. It's super bright. But yeah guys, I hope to see you in the last video, hope to see you in the next video. Bye.